For 50 years, fusion energy was humanity's ultimate promise, always described as clean and green. But right now, its entire marketing pitch is quietly changing. Fusion isn't being sold as green energy anymore. It's being sold as something far more urgent to today's biggest companies: raw power for artificial intelligence itself. Here's why. AI data centers are consuming electricity at a staggering pace, and normal power grids simply cannot expand fast enough to keep up with them. So, tech giants are now hunting for massive amounts of clean, reliable power, and suddenly, nuclear fusion looks less like science fiction and more like a solution. This shift has triggered an absolute gold rush. Companies like Helion Energy, Commonwealth Fusion Systems, and TAE Technologies are raising staggering sums of private investment. And who's writing the checks? Not traditional energy investors, but AI's biggest names. Sam Altman, Google, Nvidia, and Bill Gates are all pouring in billions. Helion Energy alone has raised over $1.5 billion, and its valuation recently tripled to an incredible $15.5 billion. The clearest sign of this shift is a groundbreaking deal. Helion signed the world's first fusion power purchase agreement, promising 50 megawatts directly to Microsoft. Construction has genuinely begun. Helion's Orion facility is being built in Washington state, aiming to deliver real fusion electricity to Microsoft's data centers by 2028. Not to be outdone, Commonwealth Fusion Systems raised nearly $3 billion and secured a 200-megawatt agreement to eventually supply power directly to Google. Their commercial plant, named ARS, is planned for Virginia, strategically located near the largest concentration of data centers anywhere in the United States. So, does this mean fusion power is finally truly here? Well, now for the honest, crucial reality check that headlines often conveniently leave out. As of today, no private fusion company has actually achieved net energy gain, meaning producing more usable energy than the reaction consumes to run. That historic milestone was only reached once, back in 2022, inside a government laser laboratory, as a single experimental shot, not sustained commercial power. Every single grid power date you've heard, including 2028 and the early 2030s, remains conditional on physics breakthroughs these companies haven't achieved just yet. Experts remain genuinely split. Some believe fusion is finally close. Others argue commercial viability could still be many years, possibly decades, further away. So what's really happening right now isn't fusion succeeding. It's fusion racing against an urgent deadline, fueled entirely by AI's insatiable hunger for power. Whether these companies win that race or simply run out of time and money first could shape our entire energy future for decades ahead. One thing is certain, fusion is no longer a distant climate solution. It has become one of AI's most audacious, high-stakes gambles. So tell me below, do you think fusion will actually power AI by 2030? Subscribe and hit the bell for more science shaping our future.